Smart Singers, April Molina here with your quick tip for the day. This is a microphone. People like to hold it like this, like this, like this, like the jury is out, right? Hello, I'm singing here. Hello, where do you sing? Drum roll, please. Capsule comes off. But be very kind, don't do this to other people. What? That is not round. Do you see that? The pickup on the mic is up here. So why have they been lying to us the entire time? When you were singing on a microphone, a dynamic microphone, keep that in mind. The pickup is most likely at the top of your mic. What I like to do when I get a new mic or if I have a gig is, oddly enough, or doing a sound check, I literally will test. I will go, ah, and just sing, and you'll hear where the pickup is and where the sweet spot is on your microphone. For more tips like this, go to smartsinging.com.